said one of the most common questions he gets far and away is guys all want to know if they're going to have the same amount of ejaculate after the procedure as they did before.
In 1966, Masters and Johnson published their now famous seminal work on this topic. This was some of the first research done on this topic, often through direct observation before, during, and after. And one of the findings they published in that book was that men reported more satisfaction if volume levels were higher. But in 2008, Roy Jerome Levin published a critique of the Masters and Johnson book. And in this critique, he rightly points out that there's an issue with the conclusions found by Masters and Johnson. See, in order for Masters and Johnson to adjust volume, they used abstinence, meaning the individuals with higher volume were also those who had abstained longer. And as you might imagine, it's really hard to separate the abstinence from the volume as the key factor in changing the level of enjoyment. And Levin even goes on to cite research from their own lab where they used medications to artificially adjust volume. And in those, they found that there was no relationship between enjoyment and volume at all. However, he does go on to point out that one research study demonstrated that the force of the output was correlated with enjoyment, but not, again, volume. So there you have it. According to the research, if you associate volume with pleasure, it may be a sort of artificial association caused by a reality that's more related to abstinence.